So today, now that we got that 10 acres of buck pronto done, we took the pickup header off of here and put the reel back on this. So now we're gonna go cut this 13 acres of spring wheat. We did not actually plant it this spring. We put it in last fall. I think beginning of October, end of September, somewhere around there. And it actually wintered over, it didn't kill. And so now, you know, it looks really good. I don't know what it's gonna yield. It does yield less because it's a heritage grain, but it was kind of cool that we put in this spring variety of grain and it made it through the winter without dying. I got those 2 fields of the spring wheat harvested and working on this 25 acres right here of a soft white winter wheat. So you can see some wild oats in here, and also we got a problem with morning glory in here too. So I'm cutting all the way to the ground almost, as you can see, and hoping to take in that morning glory seed also, and then when we run it through the cleaner we'll have that come out. So instead of running it through the combine and spreading it all over the field. Alright, so that annoying sound means we got a full load on the combine now, so let's take this down to the warehouse and dump it in the wheat truck.